So the first thing you need to do is remove the engine cover, and to do that there's literally just one screw at the front to undo, and it's one of those you just have to undo 90 degrees, so just a quarter of a turn, and that's it. And now you just lift the cover at the front and then slide it towards you. So this is the air filter housing here, and there's 6 screws that hold this cover in place, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 at the back. So just undo those 6 screws, and they remain captive once you've undone them, so you just leave them there. And now you can just lift this lid up and out of the way, and that reveals the filter underneath. So the other end of this mass airflow meter actually pokes into the front of the filter. So what you need to do is get hold of the filter and slide it that direction in order to slide it off at the front. And then you just pull it up at the front like that, and then you slide it forward. And then it's worth having a look into the housing, because you might find that there's lots of dust and dirt down in the bottom of the air filter housing. It's worth noting that the filter has an arrow on it that tells you which way up to fit it. Also at the back of the filter there's these hinge parts moulded in, and they slide into the hinge parts inside the box. So you need to make sure you get those aligned when you're fitting the air filter. One tip is just to apply a little bit of silicone grease to the seal on the air filter, and that will make it slide forward onto the mass airflow meter much more easily, and the silicone grease won't denature the rubber seal. Now you just push the filter back, push it down, and then push it forward. And then we just got the lid to refit, so just pop the lid back into place and do up the 6 screws again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, gratefully received. If you're not already one of my subscribers, then please consider subscribing and clicking the bell, and then you'll catch my next video when I bring it out. As always, if you have any questions or comments at all, just post them in the comment section below. I do read them, and I'll always try to help if I can. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.